Hello and welcome to Projects Using Meteor by Eduonics. My name is Brad Traversy. I'll be your instructor for this course. In this video I just want to quickly go over what you can expect. So you'll learn how to create fully functional Meteor applications along with other technologies and packages. Okay, so Meteor is the main focus here, but we will be using sub-packages and other technologies that you'll learn alongside it. There's 10 chapters. Each chapter has 4 to 8 sections. Each section has one video along with program files, quizzes, and documents. And you can get all the files at github.com/eduonics. So what you should know for this course, HTML and CSS, definitely. JavaScript. jQuery would really help if you knew. Node.js, you're not expected to know, but it's definitely a plus if you do. And same thing with any other kind of JavaScript framework, Angular, Backbone, any of those JS technologies will help you with this. Technology and concepts. Okay, so JavaScript is a framework, JavaScript on the server with Node.js, HTML5, CSS3, of course, for a presentation. We'll be dealing with a few different responsive frameworks like Bootstrap, Foundation, and a couple other ones. Collection FS and Grid FS. Okay, so file uploading, storing files in MongoDB, creating MongoDB databases and collections, interacting with collections, package management. We're going to use a lot of different Meteor packages, which are just basically just small programs that run in Meteor. User accounts, access control. Meteor is really good with creating user accounts, login, registration really quickly. Security, there's a lot of prototyping with Meteor, and there's some important steps you need to take before releasing your app to production. So we'll go over that, and among other things. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the course, and I'll see you in the first project.